I love it out here. I've been on Camino Island in Washington State for about 7 years now. And last summer, we took an offer that was given to me by the Public Utility Department to cut down the trees that were on the south part of my property. They were all growing up into their power line. They were getting tired of cutting them down every 3 years. So they said, we'll just knock them down, cut it into firewood, give you a little bit of stipend for each tree that we take down. I took them up on the offer, and now I have this beautiful southern exposure, which I didn't have before. Not too long ago, I went out and bought a sheet of 4x8, 6mm polycarbonate. And I was going to make a boat out of it. Another story, some other video. I ended up changing my mind and woke up the other morning, 3 mornings ago, and thinking, what can I do with this sheet? And so this is what I did. Oh, yeah, I ended up building this fence last summer. This is what I call a hog wire fence. I might do a video on that because it's kind of cool. I've been getting a lot of compliments on it, but for now I just thought I'd tell you what I did 2 days ago. It's this way. So when this house was built back in 1960, they included this cement stairwell that went down to the basement. I never really used it. I used this as storage for some area back in the underneath the deck there. I just got rid of that this summer, and it cleaned up this whole area, and I got to thinking, what can I do with this? I mean, we don't use it to go downstairs. So that sheet and this came to my mind one morning, actually 2 mornings ago, and this is what I came up with. Welcome to my greenhouse. So like I said, this is just basically a 4x8 sheet of polycarbonate, 6mm thick. And some friend of mine, neighbor down the road, gave me some 4mm fluted polycarbonate, same stuff, just thinner, and I used it to fill this in and create the end cap there. This was constructed very easily and very quickly using just some 1x5 tongue and groove that I had kicking around. And that's what I used for the roof rafters and main frame and the shelving. But here you can see, I just tried to get the plastic as tight as I could around the ends here. It still leaks a little bit, no big deal though, I don't care. Come on, I'll show you inside. Hi, Duke, what you doing? I even put a ramp up here so little Duke can get on top of the cabinet here. No pots as of yet. This just got completed last night. So I can stand up to right about here. This is 1, 2, 3rd step. And then I might have to move over here to gain access to these shelves. But this is all cement, cinder block wall, which will make a nice thermal mass to collect the heat during the springtime. Even now, actually, it's like 55 degrees. It's pretty warm in here. So yeah, like I said, I used 1x5 tongue and groove boards that I had from another project to make the shelving, and worked out pretty good. Again, I'm not expecting a lot of snow load on this thing, and if I do get anything more than 6 inches, I can go out there and shovel it off easy enough. Easy to access. This is kind of a flower box that the previous owner had installed. This worked out pretty nice because I was able to add this little 4-inch extension here and have access to this soil area. So I can probably start some starts there. Here's the end wall. That's kind of access to the outside or to get some air circulation. Get the warm air out of here. Later on, I'll put the... Oh, kitty cat's curious. Duke right now is checking out the top of the bureau. He lives in here. For now, it's just a little gymnasium area for him. But hopefully, I'll get all these filled with potted plants, and I think it'll turn out pretty nice. Pretty useful area. Anyway, there it is. I know everybody can't make one of these. Very unique to my situation. But it does give you an example of what you can do with a little bit of imagination and a little bit of effort. Thanks for watching, everybody. Have a good day. Bye-bye.